Okay, so here this is Rohit Kumar and welcome to Design Like Engineer. So in this video we are going to design wait a second. Yeah, we are going to design this plastic model. This is a plastic cap which is used to connect different pipes to a single body, and this kind of part is generally used in refrigerators. So let's see how we are going to do that. But first of all, we need to check out how the blueprint is look like. Here's the blueprint. Now come down and read that all the dimensions are in dimensions. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like that. And yeah, one more thing that you need to understand is the thickness of this material. This part is 5 mm. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do that. So first of all, we need to make this base. We will make this base and then we will extrude this one around 55 mm. So here come above. How much? So we need to take here the radius is given. So we need to take it as a diameter. So we need to make double of 35. So come here, come to SolidWorks, go to home or click on parts. Now here you see our new file is open. Now we need to change the dimension unit, which is most important because we are going to work in millimeter. So we need to select this one. Simply select this one, millimeter, and select a plane. Front plane is more suitable. That's why I'm going to use front plane. Now we need to make a circle. Simply go here and make a circle. This time, come here. Let's make something like that and do it like this. It's done. Now come here, trim it, and trim this one. Now this time we need to give radius to this one. So radius of this one is 35 mm. So we need to make this one 35 mm. Yeah, and let's see. Yeah, we need to give dimension to this one. From center point to this line, how much is the dimension? Come down. Here from center point to this line, we need to make this one as 75. Okay, simply select this one as 75. Now we don't need to select the thickness of this one because the dimension of this one is exactly equal to the diameter of this one. Here you see, when we will select 35 radius, so automatically this one will become 75. Uh, yeah, this one is 70. Let me see. Yeah, this one is 70. Just because this one is equal to the diameter of this circle. So here you see how this one is done. Now we need to extrude this one. So simply go here, go to feature, go to extruded boss base. And this time we need to extrude this one. How much? 55. We need to extrude this one around 55. Okay. So keep it blind and make this one. How much? 55. Make this one 55 and make this one okay. Now here you see. Now we need to make one more thing. We need to make a fillet here. Okay? Here you see. We need to make this one fillet. So keep this one as 40. We need a 40 mm fillet. The radius of this fillet will be 40 mm. Okay, go here. Fillet. Give it a with a radius 40 and simply select this. Okay, 40. Simply select this corner. Oh, give it this one and make this one 40 and select this corner. Okay. Now here we need to do one more thing. We need to make this chamfer, this fillet. We also need to make one more fillet here with radius of 10. So come here. Again go to fillet. This time give time is radius 10 and select this corner. This corner. All get selected. Now we need to make a base here. So simply go here, sketch. Uh, just done. Come here. The radius of this one is also 10. So how? We already had made this one as 10. So this time do. Let's do it first. Go back. Yeah. We'll go here. Make a sketch. Convert this as an entity. Now we need to offset this one. Okay. So go here. Make this one offset. And how much we need to offset? Come here. Here you see. We need to offset this one around 5 mm on all sides. So come here, give a dimension 5 mm and reverse and select this one. Now here you see. Uh, Remove this one and make this one okay. Now here you see. It get offsetted. Now go to trim entities. Simply trim this one like this and this. Make this one okay. Go here, go to extruded ball space. Now we need to extrude this one, but how much? Just 5 mm. Why 5 mm? Come there. Come here. Now here you see. The thickness of this part is 5 mm, right? But we had extruded this one around 55 mm. So we need to extrude this one in this direction, in upward direction, right? So simply change the direction. Now here you see, and make this one okay. Now here you see. Now what we need to do? We will make this the fillet, right? So go to fillet, 10 mm, and make this one okay. Now what we need to do? What left? We are going to make this part, and this time we will use mirror entities option because we will mirror this one over here. Okay, how? So go come here, select on this one, and make sketch. Now, here we need to make a circle. Point this point. You see here is the point. Make a line like this, and again this, and simply close this one. Right? Now this time, diameter of this one. So let's see how much is the diameter. It's 50 mm, right? So make this one 50 mm, and how much is the diameter of this one? The diameter of this one is 15.25. So simply make this one 15.25, 15.25, and make this one okay and done. Now what we need to do? Simply go here, extruded boss base, and we need to extrude this one around 5 but in upward direction. Now make this one okay. Now here is it's done. Now what we need to do? We need to copy this one over here. So how? Go to mirror entities. This time we need to select plane. Select a plane which lies exactly in the middle of it. So this one is the right plane which is exactly in the middle of it. And here is this one is the feature, not face. Okay. So simply go and select feature. Now here you see the features get mirrored. Now make this one okay. Now here you see. Now come here. We will make this fillets here. Fillets here. Okay. So this one is 5, this one is 5, so this one will be 5 also. So come here, go to fillet. This time we give them radius 5 and select this one, select this one, and select this one. Again, come here, this one, this one, this one, and this one too. And make this one okay. Now here you see. Now what left? Yeah, radius of this one. Radius of the fillet of this one. This one will also be 10. This one will be 10. Okay. So go to fillet. Give radius 10 mm. This time only select this one and this one. Now here you see. And make this one okay. Now here you see. It's done. Now what we need to do? Uh, I think let's make the hole first. Okay. So here you see. Radius of this hole is 5 mm and uh, the diameter of this circle is 9. It means that here is a chamfer and the diameter of the chamfer is 2 mm. 2 mm on this side, 2 mm on this side. So it will become 4 mm and 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So we need to make a chamfer of 2 mm dimension. So first let's make a hole. Go on a hole wizard. It's the simplest way to make holes. Otherwise you have to make circles, you have to make relations, and then after you have to select extruded cut. So better to use this one. Simply select this one, drill hole, dowel hole, select the drill hole, 5 mm radius, Come here, select position, and this time we need to select position. That's why we selected this one. Now, find the center of this arc. Here you see, here this one is center. When you will put the cursor on this arc, then it will automatically show you the center of this arc. So simply select this one. Again, do the same here also. Select this one also. Uh, this one also. And do the same thing here also. And make this one okay. Now here you see. Here is the hole. Now come down here and select chamfer. And we need to give dimension 2 mm. Okay. Select the upper one. Select this one also. Select this one also. And select this hole also. Only the upper side. Upper. Make this one okay. Now here you see. Now what we need to do? We need to. This one is 5. We also need to make a fillet here with radius 5 mm. Okay. So again go to fillet. Give a radius 5 mm and select this corner and make this one okay. Now here you see. Actually, you can also skip this one. That's not a big thing. Uh, Let me see. I think the problem is with this dimension, right? Okay, just leave it. It's fine. It's absolutely fine. Yeah. Okay, leave the fillet. No need to wait big fillet. Now simply come here, make a sketch. Now we need to make a circle here. Again, come here, make a circle. Now here you see the radius, the diameter of the outer circle is 30 and the diameter of the internal circle is 26. So we will only uh, make a circle with diameter 30 because we are going to use cell command because this, we have to keep this whole part hollow. That's why. No need to make the center circle, just make the outer circle and extrude the outer circle around 10 mm, right? So go here, go to smart dimensions, make this one 30, okay? And go to feature, go to extrude, and we need to extrude this one around 10 mm and make this one okay. Now here you see, again sketch, we need to make a circle, again one circle here. Make sure that the center of the circle lies exactly at the center of the middle point. Otherwise, you have to make the relation. Now we need to keep the diameter of this one also. So how much is the diameter? So it's 20 mm. No need to make center circle, just to make 20 mm circle here. Okay, and the gap between the center point of these two circles is 55 mm. Okay, make this one 20, this one, this one, and make this one 55 mm. Okay, go here, go to extruded box base. We need to extrude this one around 10 mm, but we also need to extrude in backward direction, in downward direction. So how here you see another option dimension 2 because you can also use two directions. That's why. Simply click here, not blind, up to next. Here you see, and make this one okay. Now what we need to do? We need to make a fillets here also, 5 mm fillet. Okay, come here, go to fillet, 5 mm, select this one also, and select this one also. And make this one okay. Now everything is done. Now what we need to do? We just need to use cell command. Simply select cell command, make this one 5 mm thickness, stop preview. Now here you see it's showing. Simply select the upper one, this face, and this face. Let's make this one 2 mm. Now here you see it looks perfect. This one is exactly 2 mm, not 5 mm. So here is the 2 mm. Now the yellow line shows that how much it is going to cut, the area that is going to cut, and make this one okay. Now here you see this one is hollow. So here this time select go to appearance, go to plastic, select PWMT11, and here you see. our border is in red. So actually there is some error in the dimension. That's why we didn't use this fillet. Otherwise, you can also do it, but no need to do that. It depends on you. It's just a practice video, so it's fine. Now, this time go here. Here you see edit appearance. You have to select on edit appearance. Now here you see color option. Okay. So from this area you can customize your color. But this time we need to select red. This red is fine. And make this one okay. Now here you see. This one is a final output. So I hope that you like the video. So please go and subscribe the channel and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing. Bye.